Elevating your office efficiency with JR Copier of Minnesota. In the heart of the Twin Cities lies a game changer for office equipment needs. Welcome to our state-of-the-art showroom, where innovation meets functionality. At JR Copier, we're not just selling machines, we're transforming the way your office operates. Here at JR Copier, we understand that every business has unique requirements. That's why we offer a wide range of office equipment, including copiers and multifunction printers designed to suit your specific needs. Outdated equipment can slow down your office and hinder productivity. Upgrade to our cutting-edge copiers and multifunction printers to experience seamless document management, efficient scanning, and crisp printing. Looking to streamline your office operations without breaking the bank? Our rental and lease options allow you to access top-tier equipment without the upfront costs. It's all about flexibility and cost-effectiveness. We don't just deliver the equipment, we set it up and ensure it integrates seamlessly into your existing workflow. Our team of skilled technicians is dedicated to providing prompt service whenever you need it. JR Copier of Minnesota has been a game changer for our office. The multifunction printer we leased has significantly improved our efficiency, and the customer support is top-notch. Our commitment doesn't end after the sale. We offer proactive maintenance and support to keep your equipment running smoothly, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Elevate your office efficiency today with JR Copier of Minnesota. Let us be your partner in achieving seamless document management and exceptional productivity. JR Copier of Minnesota, your pathway to office excellence in the Twin Cities.